this little bitty hive drank 2 jars.
Yeah.
So, pretty chill. They look pretty good. I don't want to grab any frames because it's so small. I don't want to kill that many bees. But looks pretty good. They're pretty chill. These 2 frames, they got some brood on them. That means the queen's doing her work. So, pretty good.
Pretty good. How many frames do you think are full? Just 2, maybe 3?
I think 3.
Okay, so we'll probably need to add more frames next time.
Ooh, you hear that, guys? Next time, y'all are gonna get an upgrade. Built this myself.
Good job. Don't forget the food.